are finally at the Disney Starlight Parade this evening. I brought my mom with me as well as my daughter. We're gonna try to at least get to the parade this time. Last time we got rained out, but we're super excited to hopefully be able to see the parade and the fireworks. So fingers crossed. We are gonna go ride Space Mountain. We are getting to re-ride. My daughter was at the very front of the spaceship and the guy was like, why don't you guys go re-ride? And he's having us go down a secret entrance to be able to go re-ride. This is so insane. Okay, we've never tried a Mickey pretzel. We're gonna get a Mickey pretzel. We gotta try the Mickey pretzel. Okay, they're good. My goodness, look at those!
On tonight's journey through the stars.
Why, hello there. Come with me and dream the night away. We all deserve to have our wishes. They belong to us, and they are beautiful. We are stars.
Ride through the stars with all our friends.